Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your accountancy class. Students, today we will learn about the compound journal entry. Okay, student. So first of all, you have to understand what is compound journal entry. So the compound journal entry will be passed when there are two or more transactions. When two or more transactions are there, okay, and these two or more transactions have similar similar nature, okay, and related to one particular account, related to one particular account, okay, students, and take place on same date, take place take place on same date, okay, students. So three things are there when two or more transactions are there with similar nature related to one particular account and take place on same date, okay. So at that time, instead of passing so at that instead of passing separate journal entries, separate journal entry instead of passing separate journal entry for all such transaction, for all such transaction, one entry, okay, students. So one single entry should be passed, one entry, or we can say one journal entry will be passed termed as compound journal entry, termed as compound journal entry. Clear, students? The concept of compound journal entry: when two or more transactions are there and these transactions related to similar nature, related to one particular account and take place on same date, okay. So two or more transactions are there. So instead of passing these transactions in a separate one entry, okay, student, so one journal entry will be passed, which is termed as compound journal entry. So three things must be there: similar nature, related to one particular account, and take place on same date, okay, student. So similar nature, we can say that these are the from real account, similar nature, we can say that this is or expense or income, all these transactions related to expense, for taking an example. And particular account, all these transactions are related to nominal account and held on 1st August 2020, okay. So when all these things are happened, at that time, instead of passing different entries for different transaction, one single entry should be passed, which is termed as compound journal entry. Clear, students? Now, students, I am taking an example, so it will be more clear to you that how to pass the compound journal entry, okay, students. So transaction is there on 31st December 2019, rupees 10,000 paid for salary and rupees 2,000 paid for electricity bill, okay, students. So first we consider the three things that we learned in the meaning. The three things are, students, first is similar nature. Similar nature is there. Salary is also expense, it is paid, and electricity bill is also expense. So in this transaction, similar nature is expense, okay, student. So this condition is fulfilled. Second condition is these two transactions are related to one particular account. So related to one particular account, So students, in these two transactions, when the entry is passed, we write here salary account debit to cash account. And when we pass the second journal entry, we also write here electricity bill account debit to cash account. So students, see, these two transactions are expense and these two transactions are related to one similar account, that is cash account. So these two transactions are related to one particular account, that is cash account. So when these two transactions are debited, one similar account is credited in this. So means in these transaction one single account is credited. So the second condition is also fulfilled, that related to one particular account, that is cash account. So this condition is also fulfilled. And the third condition is to pass the compound journal entry held on same date. So student, look at the date here, 31st December 2019. 31st December 2019. So these two transactions are also held in the same date. So third transaction is also fulfilled, students. So now these conditions, three conditions are fulfilled, means we will pass the compound journal entry of this transaction, because the two transactions are similar nature, related to one particular account and held on same date. So now student, look how we pass the compound journal entry in the performa of journal. So first of all, you have to draw the performa, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Okay students, so now we pass the compound journal entry. First of all, we write the year 2019, date is December month and date is 31st, and the entry is, students, salary account debit. Salary is expense, all expenses should be debited. Electricity bill is paid, it is also expense for the firm. Electricity bill account debit to cash account, because these transactions are related to one account, that is cash account, because electricity bill is also paid in form of cash, salary is also paid in form of cash. So students, salary is paid rupees 10,000, electricity bill paid rupees 2,000, and the total amount which goes out from the business in form of cash is 12,000. Okay students, and the narration is for salary and electricity bill paid. Salary and electricity bill paid. Clear students? So this is the compound journal entry. When we pass the compound journal entry, students, three conditions are there. First is similar nature of transaction. Second is related to one particular account. And third is held on same date. Clear? Now students, I will solve the question number 8, okay, in which the compound entries will be there. Okay, so question number 8 of practical questions. First of all, we have to prepare the journal, and the transaction of this is, year is 2018 students, and the month is August throughout the transactions. And the first transaction is started business with cash, goods and machines. Second is goods purchased from for cash from Hari from Mohan. So all these transactions from 1st to 8 August, these transactions are students related to one particular account, similar nature is there and held on same date. Means in these three transactions, okay, from 1st August to August 8, we pass the compound journal entries. And the rest of the transaction is on August 10, paid to her in full settlement and discount received. So this transaction is related to the discount. 12th August is received from Manuj, allowed discount. And on 16th August, machine purchase, furniture purchased and wages paid. So this transaction is also related to one particular account, similar nature, and we also pass the journal entry of this. Look how. First of all, we have to draw the pro forma of journal, students. So date, particulars, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Debit and credit. Okay students. So the first entry is year 2018 and month August and date is 1. So started business with cash, goods and machine. So students, when the business commenced, we generally pass the entry cash account debit to capital account. But in this journal entry, students, business is started but with cash, with goods and with machine. So mean three things are introduced to starting a business. Okay, so these three transactions, cash, goods and machines, are similar nature and these are introduced in the business. So means these are related to one particular account, that is capital account, okay, and held on same date. So means we pass the journal entry of these two or three transactions. And the journal entry will be, students, when we pass the journal entry related, when the business is started, we write here cash account debit to capital account. So in this, cash is also introduced, but with cash, goods and machine also introduced. So we write here first cash account debit, machine account debit, cash account debit, machine account debit, goods account debit to capital account. So cash is introduced rupees 20,000. Machine is introduced of cost 5,000. And the value of goods is, students, rupees 10,000. So the total amount, the total worth with which business is started is, students, 35,000. 35,000. So we should credit the capital account with 35,000. 20,000 plus 5,000, 25,000, and 25,000 plus 10,000, 35,000. Clear, students? So this is compound journal entry. So all these transactions related to similar nature, one particular account and held on same date. So the narration is for business started with cash, goods and machine. Clear, students? Next journal entry is August 2nd. Okay, the year is same, 2018, and the transaction is goods purchased for cash from Hari and from Mohan. So 3 transactions are related to goods purchased. First is goods purchased for cash, second is on credit from Hari, and third is also on credit but from Mohan. Okay, students, so these transactions are related to one particular account, purchase account. Okay, because in all these 3 transactions, purchase account is debited. Okay, and the second thing is all these transactions have similar nature. Okay, goods are purchased means assets are coming to the business related to one particular account. Okay, and these transactions are held on same date, that is August 8. Okay, students, so the journal entry will be, the August is August 2nd. Okay, students, so the journal entry will be, when we purchased goods, purchases account debit, first we purchased goods for cash, rupees 5,000. First we credit the cash account for cash account with 5,000, and second we purchase goods from Hari. So in second transaction, Hari account should be credited to Hari account with the amount rupees 2,000, and in third transaction, business purchased goods from Mohan. So in that time, the transaction is purchase account debit to Mohan account. Mohan to Mohan account, and the amount of which goods are purchased, rupees 3,000. Okay, students, and the total of this cash account plus Hari account and Mohan account, 5,000 plus 2,000, 7,000, and 7,000 plus 3,000 is student 10,000. So the purchases account will be debited with 10,000. Clear, students? And the narration is for goods purchased for cash and on credit from 2 persons, Hari and Mohan. Hari and Mohan. Clear, student? So this entry is also compound journal entry, because in this 3 transactions are there related to purchases. So purchase account is one account, which is all these transactions are related to one account, purchase account, and first purchases are done in cash, second are from Hari, and third from Mohan. Okay, so clear, students?